Welcome to Abstract. This technique helps you quickly extract and download all Google search results with valuable insights, saving you time and effort. Let's search for something on Google. On the search results page, we see a lot of links. Wouldn't it be great if we could download all this data in a sheet instead of manually copying and pasting everything? To do that, we need a Google Chrome extension. Go to Chrome Web Store, search for SEO Quack. This is the extension we need. Install it in Chrome. Once installed, you will notice a small sidebar on the left side of your screen. Click on SERP report. By the way, SERP stands for Search Engine Results Page. Here you will find all the SERP links along with other valuable insights and metrics such as page score, pin counts, and Google index status and more. To view domain details, click on Whois, which takes you directly to the relevant page. You can also access backlinks information from this page. Now, to download all these links in a sheet, simply click the Save as CSV button, and here is the sheet containing all the links along with relevant details. So this is how you can easily download links and other important data from Google search results. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.